Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see about multi-monitoring system. To know more about multi-monitoring system, navigate to Process Manager. Right-click on LT Viewer and click on Restart the selected process. Viewer window will open. Enter the login credentials. Select the number of monitor screens you want. Click on Login. You can see the two viewer windows on screen. You can perform two different tasks from two different screens. For example, on screen 1, I want to see historical trend, and on screen 2 I want to see real-time trend. Additionally, I can open notification module on screen 2. Thus you can operate from many screens using multi-monitoring system.
Thank you for watching.